little ones! Today, we're going to play with a DIY sugar-coated fruit quiet book. At 9 a.m., Manager Duoduo arrives at the shop. He puts on his chef's hat and starts preparing the ingredients. First, let's arrange the washed fruits on a plate. Today, we have sweet strawberries, kiwis, purple blueberries, round grapes, tangy oranges, and the new item of the day, sticky rice balls. Let's add the price tags and set out the skewers and spoons. Before opening the shop, let's set a small goal. Reach 88 won in sales today. Then, let's make the sugar syrup. Add lots of sugar to the pot. Then just the right amount of water. And turn on the heat. Stir it with a spoon. And soon, the syrup will be bubbling and ready. At 10 a.m., the shop welcomes its first customer.
Hello, boss. I'd like a strawberry sugar skewer.
Sure, I'll pick the biggest, sweetest strawberries for you. Dip them in the sweet syrup and place them on the board to cool. Your sugar-coated strawberries are ready!
Thank you. They look delicious. Bye, Manager Duoduo.
Today's income plus $12, and we also earned 1 heart of appreciation. At 10:30 a.m., the second customer arrives, a panda.
Hello, Manager Duoduo. I'd like a grape skewer and an orange skewer.
All right, please wait a moment. All the fruits here were freshly picked this morning, super fresh. Your sugar-coated fruit is ready. Come again if you like it.
Delicious. I love it. I'll come back next time.
Another $14 received, along with 1 more heart of appreciation. At 11 a.m., Duoduo receives a delivery order. Let's quickly make it for the customer. First, we'll prepare a kiwi-orange combo skewer. The yellow-green combo looks so appetizing. Then, a strawberry grape combo skewer. Lots of fruit. Double the fun!
Meow. I'm here to pick up the order. Manager Duoduo.
All right, take care, little kitty, and stay safe on the way.
Meow. Thank you. I'm off to deliver it. Bye, Manager Duoduo.
Delivery income plus $17 and 2 more hearts. At 12 p.m., Cat Mom and her kitten come to the shop.
Mom, I want blueberry sugar-coated fruit.
All right, sweetie. Boss, we'd like 2 blueberry skewers, please.
Sure thing, Cat Mom. We have a new item, sticky rice balls. Here's a free sample. They're soft and chewy, so yummy. Cat Mom, your sugar-coated fruit is ready.
Thank you, Manager Duoduo.
Bye, Duoduo.
Income plus $16 and 2 more hearts. Kids, can you help me check if we reached today's goal? Did Duoduo make $88? If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video.